Now, let's create a page. Every website builder offers you a gallery of templates. Unicorn Platform is not an exception. We have a lot of pre-designed websites for you to start from. Here, if you click Create, you will see our gallery. The good things about a template is that it's created by a professional designer. If you start with a template, you are sure that your landing page is well knit. Every component is on its place and the design is perfect. But if you feel creative or if you know exactly what you want to build, if you have this result in your mind, you can start with a blank page and create everything from scratch. But in my case, I will start with a template. After watching my course, you will be able to create a new page from blank. But if you're a beginner, or if you want to save yourself some time, start with a template. In my case, I want to make a website for my SaaS, so I will choose SaaS as a category and choose one of these SaaS templates. Let me have a look at this. It's called Wax. Looks nice. I like it. I like the red color, but maybe I will switch it to blue, not sure. Yeah, it's good. I will hit create and this is my website. I can start with the placeholder content or I can generate some content with AI. We will play with AI a little bit later, so at this point I will just hit placeholder content. This is my website. It's ready. I can use it. I can send it to my friends or to my clients. I just need to change the content. We will do it in the next episodes. But so far, as you can see on your dashboard, this is your new website. You can click and see all the pages. At this moment, we have the must-have page, but later we will create some more. If you hit the edit page button, you will be redirected to the builder, and in the builder, you'll be able to build your page, right? Let's make some little change, just one letter. I will change write it your way to write it, I don't know, my way. And I changed the text here. The title has been changed. Now I need to hit save changes to save my page. This is how Unicorn Platform works. Once again, you hit create new page. You choose a template, the website is created, you hit on a website, then you choose a page to edit. In this case, we have only one page. And on the builder screen, you can change the content. Yes, it's that easy. To sum up, if you feel creative or if you're a professional designer and you know what you're doing, you can start with a blank page. If you're a beginner, if you're not sure, if you need some inspiration, if you need some solid starting point from a professional, start with a template. Unicorn Platform has a lot of templates and all of them are free. You don't need to pay anything to get a website. My recommendation, if you're a beginner, choose a template.